if the refs are okay with it, I think we're ready to start in 3, 2, 1. And we begin.
As we begin the match, all the robots manage to somewhat disattach themselves correctly. However, one person on the Blue Alliance does not manage to do so. However, Team 4097 manages to knock the golden mineral, although collides with their teammate when trying to make it to their depot. Their autonomous is clashing.
11170 just going off-road, flying over a mineral as they go for the corner depot.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
Team 13439 knocked the golden mineral off of its dot during its autonomous. However, it seems that
Team 15562 completely out. It looks like they're still stuck to the side of that lander.
And unfortunately, Team 13439 did not successfully drop its golden mineral inside of the gold portion, which means the points would be not counted.
4097 successfully drops 2 gold minerals into their side of the lander. 13439 successfully dropping another silver into their side, while 4097...
Hey, and it seems that more teamwork has been accomplished as Team 13439, the Atomic Paperclips, frees their teammate Franklin High Team 43.
13439 trying to pick up a silver mineral, while 11170 tries to pick up a gold mineral. 4097 lining up to drop another pair.
Hey.
Whoa, crashing a little bit. It's hard to tell if they're under control here.
And a slam dunk from Team 11170.
It's getting tense. 40 seconds left in the match. 4097 gets a silver and a gold. Hopefully they don't mix them too much. They're trying to get that silver out. The silver's in. 4097 lining up to drop the gold as we enter the end game.
And they managed to drop them in the respective places. Very, very skillful use of the technology available to them. However, blue team is going to give them some stiff competition as both align themselves to try to get back onto the lander with 10 seconds remaining in endgame.
4097 tried to go in again into their crater, but didn't have enough time to pick up 2 more minerals. 4097 curling up.
3 seconds left.
Successfully hanging. And that's the game. Looks like these scores for qualification match 19 are up, showing that Red scored 197 points, winning them the match over Blues 87.